Hello everyone! Today we're diving into some legendary U-turns that even Google Maps couldn't predict in time. Just a heads up, this is for entertainment only. In real life, keep your hands steady on the wheel and your brain even steadier. Because trust me, going viral on a traffic cam is not the kind of fame you want. One flip, multiple cars dragged along, and one more reason not to speed in the city. Crashed so hard it sent the car flying into a metal cabinet, yet the driver walked out fine. Talk about being lucky in original packaging. When you treat the yellow light as an invitation, straight into trouble. Let's not do that again, okay? A battle of egos with no real winner. Both cars lost, minus only the CCTV gets the final word. Probably a bit too tipsy and mistook the storefront for a drive-thru. Total bill, £20,000 sterling, 0 pence, quite the expensive combo for a wrong turn.
뭐하냐? 진짜 뭐하냐? 저 졸았다. 야, 천천히 가, 지금. 천천히 가고 있어요.
아니야, 너 호격과 얘기
아니에요, 처음
지나가.
The black car stopped, and everything after was a chain reaction of disaster. A sudden collision in Kegal. CCTV shows it all happened within seconds. Milk spilled, car flipped, driver nearly became a headline. One sharp turn caused chaos beyond just the spilled dairy. Fremont, Jan 31, 2020. 3 shoppers grabbed nearly $19,000, 0 cents worth of beauty products and forgot to pay. They jumped into a borrowed SUV and zoomed off like in an action movie. The chase ended in a dead end in Union City, where the driver tried to clear a path through police cars, but received an undeniable stop signal. One landed in the hospital, Two were invited to explain things at the station. This shopping trip, a bit pricey. Driving like the wind, steering like a chicken, crashing and dashing like this isn't a game, folks. A moment of someone's carelessness, and the whole car ends up in the hospital. Traffic has no room for I thought so. That car must have been way too excited about the discounts, it skipped the front door and went right through the wall. Speed shopping. Fast, direct, and destructive. They forgot to pull the handbrake and the car said, "Let me just grab that MacBook." Fair and square. One slight touch from a skyline and the Prius turns into a flying superhero, smashing through 3 obstacles. Fast and Furious Real Life Edition calls this the opening scene. Sometimes you did nothing wrong and still life throws you a slap out of nowhere. No explanation, just vibes from above. Two grown-ups, 2 cars, and 1 street. Just narrow enough for pride to squeeze through.
What's up?
Luxury cars can't cover up foolish choices. Calm, smart driving is the real class.
Speed 70, we're coming up to 25th Ave right now.
Traffic is medium. He just signaled 4 to get into a sign. 25th. Turn the vehicle off!
S16 account. I need another unit here when he's with me.
697. He's taking off again.
Take that you1.
See who got able. Zone 1 OPD.
Go!
He is the backside of the Mustang.
Down! Now! I will shoot you! Put the gun down! Put it down! Put the rifle down! On the ground now!
There's someone on 7th Avenue and on 28th.
On the ground!
What's your location?
Head behind your back now.
Early morning, not even a sip of tea yet, and boom, a bold collision kicks off the day, wishing Mr. Chandrasekharan a quick recovery and a better GPS. Strategy: take out your opponent from afar. Reality: ram each other at 0 meters and apply together for a group booking at the detention center.
Nature nurture. Some people like rubbing on a leaf.
Two trucks decided to have a face-to-face meeting. A greeting no one wants to experience again. A reckless second can lead to a lifetime of regret. Drive safely, not just for yourself, but for everyone on the road. A masterclass in rock dodging. This deserves a spot in the Survival on the Highway textbook. Heroes don't need capes. A passerby driver swiftly rescued 3 passengers trapped in an overturned minibus in just 50 seconds. Chevy Cruze wasn't just a car today, it was a guardian angel on wheels. Meanwhile, that Jeep really needs a refresher on traffic laws. All for an exit, he almost got a one-way ticket to the hospital. Double white lines aren't just for decoration. Crossing them recklessly is a direct ticket to disaster. When two giants fight for space, the entire highway takes an unplanned break. Train truck. Today's mission is safe lifting and lowering. Mazda CX-5. Yeah, safe for everyone, except me. Big truck, fast road. Thankfully, this crash shook only the camera, not our hearts. On the morning of Deck 13, 2024, a woman called 911 from a Walmart parking lot in Westworth Village. She'd just parted ways with an unfriendly companion after being stuck for days in a white Dodge Caravan.
183, he's running on foot. He's running on foot going behind Murphy gas station. Going over by the Burger Street.
When police arrived, suspect Reginald Jameson, 52, chose not to talk. Instead, he showed off his driving skills in all the wrong ways. He sped off like it was the finale of Race the Red Light. The chase ended with a failed fence jump. Mr. Jameson is now resting at the Tarrant County Jail. No reservation needed.
Keep units are out.
Highways aren't racetracks. If you win in speed but lose in judgment, you still lose.
Is she kidding me? She's been arrested. That's a federal crime. She's a public carrier. Are you kidding me?
When emotion takes over reason, a vehicle stops being transport and becomes a threat. Road rage isn't personal, it's a public danger.
Kidding me? Got her plate?
А вы попали, да, все.
Я вас обозвала, вы меня обзываете, стоите, я вас обозвала. Да вы заехать ко мне домой.
Lack of parking is a shared problem. Responding with aggression only makes it worse.
Уже вообще, ну это охуеть, понимаете, каждый день.
Эта мразь сейчас ударила девушку, блядь, разбила телефон. Уйди, Данил, уйди. Я снимаю.
Уходить, Маш.
Braking too late when you're too close. Even with the horn, it's not enough. Big vehicles must keep distance and anticipate. When people stay calm and respect each other, even the tensest situations can be solved safely.
Я ж тебя предупреждал, я тормозить не буду. Я же предупреждал, я тормозить не буду.
Успокойся! Успокойся!
Fresh out of prison, Joseph Gornall, 25, and his partner in crime, Jamie Green, 22, decided to celebrate by smoking spice, a synthetic cannabis, and accidentally borrowing a Toyota Hilux from the Biffa waste yard in Scunthorpe. The joyride ended with a crash. Gornall got 4 years, Green got 3 for being in the car and once stealing chocolate. On July 10, 2022, Georgia police pursued a white Dodge Charger, license plate XRD-18-4, suspected in a serious case. When ordered to stop on Riverdale Road, the driver sped off, forcing police to deploy an emergency stop maneuver.
Show myself an 896 behind a white Dodge Charger. It's going to be a possible homicide suspect.
Driver.
Both hands, both hands. I got you. We're back in.
After being blocked, the suspect refused to exit, requiring tactical intervention to ensure safety. When fate decides it's time for a new windshield, but in the worst way possible. Not keeping a safe distance? 3 trucks ended up glued together in a chain collision. The lesson? Maintain a reasonable gap to avoid risky sudden braking. No sobriety, no license, but full confidence? Already a mother of 3, yet still hasn't mastered the art of safe driving. Today's restaurant special: rice, soup, and a semi-truck. Not sure who was wrong, but someone clearly came prepared for a roadside BBQ. Saw a giant truck and still drove right into it. Must be blind faith in technology. Truck rollover reminds us, each grain of wheat carries a farmer's sweat. Unsafe roads can cost the value of an entire harvest. Mistimed lane change is all it takes for a crash to happen. Thankfully, no injuries. A good reminder to stay alert and patient when merging. This wasn't just road rage, it was a warning about discrimination and the moral cost when anger overrides humanity. Thank you all for watching the video until the very end. If you found this content helpful, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to catch our latest videos as soon as they're released. We promise to bring you more high quality and captivating videos. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.